Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine, right? So we have done A vowel sound and E vowel sound, right? A says A and E says A, right? Then now next one is I. I vowel sound words, right? So I says E. I says E. So let's start reading. B-I-N, bin. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. B says B, B-I-N, bin. P-I-N, pin means P says P. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin, right? R-I-N-G, ring. R says R, R-I-N-G, ring. S says S, S-I-N-G, sing. W says V, V-I-G, wig, right? So next one is I-D, id. H-I-D, hid. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, lid. M-I-D, mid. W-I-D, wid, right? So there is H says her, her ID hid, K ID kid, L ID lid, M ID mid, V ID vid, right? Next one is I-N, in. B-I-N, bin. C-H-I-N, chin. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. And W-I-N, win. B says B, B-I-N, bin. C-H, ch, ch-I-N, chin. P, p-I-n, pin. T-I-n, tin. W-I-n, यानी कि V-I-N, win, right? So next one is I-G, ig. B-I-G, big. D-I-G, dig. P-I-G, pig. W-I-G, wig. And Z-I-Z, zig. So there is B. B says, B says B. B-I-G, big. D says D. D-I-G, dig. P says P. P-I-G, pig. W says V. V-I-G, wig. And Z says Z. Z-I-Z, zig. Right? So I-double-L, ill. B-I-double-L, will. F-I-double-L, fill. K-I-double-L, kill. P-I-double-L, pill. W-I-double-L, will. Right? So B says B, B-I-L, double L, bill. F-I-double-L, fill. K-I-double-L, kill. P-I-double-L, pill. W-I-double-L, will. Right? So next one is I-P, ip. D-I-P, dip. H-I-P, hip. L-I-P, lip. T-I-P, tip. And P-I-P, pip. Now again D says D, D-I-P, dip. H says her, her I-P, hip. L says L-I-P, lip. And T says T, T-I-P, tip. And P says P, P-I-P, pip. Right? So these are the words, E vowel sounds. So you have to read this page carefully, right? And you also read this phonic drill again, right? So have a good day. Bye bye.